Hi, I'm Laura, Miss Gardner, and I'm going to be doing some quick book talks of books that I think some students would enjoy. This first one I want to talk about is Starfish by Lisa Phipps. It is a novel in verse, which means that it reads a little faster and it's written lyrically. And it's about a young girl named Ellie, and she's been bullied about her weight for her entire life by friends, so-called friends, and other kids in her school, but also by her mom. And this book is about her coming to accept herself for who she is, and finding a new friend who can be an ally, and also learning to stand up for herself, especially to her mother. It's a really sad book, just to warn you. This next one I want to talk about is one of the most popular books in our library. This is Small Spaces by Katherine Arden. And it's about three kids who are on a field trip with their entire class. And at the end of the field trip, the bus breaks down. It is creepy. It is night outside. It's fall. And they've just been at a farm. And one of the three kids, Ollie, starts getting messages on her watch that tell them to run, and they need to stay in small spaces. This is a super creepy book with scarecrows that come to life and haunt the children. It's the first in a 4-book series. 3 of the books are out so far, and the 4th book comes out next summer, and it's just really, really good. This next one, technically, You Started It, is a book entirely in text messages, the entire book. It is a romance between a guy named Martin Nathaniel Monroe II and Haley, except that it is also a case of mistaken identity because, strangely enough, there are 2 Martin Nathaniel Monroes IIs, and Haley thinks she's texting a different one than the one she is texting. It's an awesome book and just a really quick, fun read. And then the last one I want to book talk today is To Stay Alive by Skilla Brown. This is another novel in verse, and it is about the Donner Party. The Donner Party, if you're not aware, they were trying to get to California, but they started a little too late. This is like the 1800s, and they got stuck in the mountains in the snow, and various members of their party started dying. And in order to survive and stay alive, the other members of the party ate the dead bodies. So this is from the perspective of 19-year-old Mary Ann Graves. It is based on her journal because she does actually survive. And it's historical fiction, but again, a novel in verse and really, really fascinating. So those are 4 quick book talks that I wanted to share with you. If you'd like to check one out, come by the library and I'd love to help get you one of these books. Thanks.